Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. We're at Paul's Stag Classics up in Alton in Hampshire, and as you can see behind me we have a plethora of more stags in the car park, all waiting to be worked on by Paul and his crew in time. Today, as you know, we've brought the UNY 49M's engine in for him to have a look at, which we'll look at in just a second, but he's also got one on the test bed which he's been running, which I'd like you to have a look at, and just to hear it running is a real privilege, and so let's go and have a look. Stag heaven, I think you'd call this. Got Stag actually engine running in the corner on a rig, so just going to go and have a look at it and see how our engine hopefully will look in time when it's all fixed. Fingers crossed. Alright, so Paul's now managed to get his engine started, and here it is in its full fettle, running absolutely sweet as a nut, which is tremendous. He's got the fan on the front, you can see a flashing light there that's useful for timing. Paul, do you want to just talk us through what you've done here, mate?
This one has had a full reconditioned engine, cylinder heads, everything. So we're just testing it for a customer before we put it in the car.
Right, brilliant. Sounds absolutely sweet as a nut, doesn't it? Really is.
Probably a makeshift exhaust, but...
Oh, don't worry about that. No, well, I'm surprised how quiet it is actually, even with those mufflers on, because it's quite a full system otherwise, isn't it? But just listen to that, guys, isn't that amazing? And this is why we want to get ours done. And Paul said, probably assuming everything's all right, that is, we should be able to get ours in a very similar condition, such that when we put it back in the shell, we'll have complete confidence that we've got a decent motor. Just listen to that. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? Fantastic. So what else have you had to do to it, Paul, to get it to this condition?
Well, like, as I said, we have a local engineer shop that we have the crankshafts balanced.
Yeah.
I have the cylinder heads refurbished, and I basically just assemble it all and bench test it.
Yeah, yeah.
With everyone I've bench tested, they seem to be fine.
Yeah.
Just got to check for the leaks. Any leaks anywhere,
yeah,
from the cam covers, or making sure the water pump is bedded in properly and it's not water coming out.
Okay.
And we get it up to temperature. Normally I would rig it up to the oil pressure switch, but I haven't done it yet.
No.
And I've got a temperature
gauge on there as well.
But you can normally tell by just feeling it.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
That's an awesome piece of kit, it really is. And actually, do you know what? Someone popped up to me the other day and they said, Tony, don't keep going on about the fact these engines overheat and whatever. If they're built properly and they're maintained properly, they run as sweet as a nut, don't they?
My experience of them are that they've just got a really short service life.
Yeah.
So you've really got to make them absolutely clean.
Yeah.
They still have a lot of sand in the blocks.
What, from the casting process? Yeah,
so
do they?
Once you clean the whole engine out,
yeah,
when I get it back from the machine shop, I end up cleaning it all out with paraffin.
Right.
And then we clean it differently, and we clean all the components, and we get all the cam covers redone, take the flame trap out, put a new gauze in there,
with you.
re-weld it.
Yeah, because that's what you've got to watch if you have your car shot blasted, you don't get grit and rubbish still stuck in there, and then put it back on the engine, and then that goes back into the engine. Yeah.
I just enjoy it, it's a buzz.
Yeah, absolutely. Can see why. There you go.
There you go.
Cheers, Paul. Thank you very much. Alright guys, so really good to see the engine in action, and let's hope they can do the similar thing to our car in due course, but we will see. Anyway, we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now, guys.